Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be going over Xpeng. I'm going to talk about what it did today, where I think it's heading, and what it's going to do for the upcoming year. Now, I'd like to remind you all to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate each and every one of you viewing this video and also being a subscriber. It truly means a lot to me, and thank you so much for getting me to 2,000 subscribers, and I hope everyone has an amazing new year and it's really good to you. Let's get right into this video and let's talk about Xpeng. Now, Xpeng, it was up 54 cents today. Now, not a whole lot of action, or it didn't close too much above what it closed yesterday. Now, we did push up to this area right here at 44.68. So that was an important area, but we weren't able to hold it above it. Now, I talked about in my last Xpeng video that we needed to hold above 43.78 and stay above it. Now, we did get above it today, but we did not hold above it, and that was the problem with Xpeng today, and that's why I had the title of this video that we possibly could be pulling back to this level right here, or even this level. So if we do not push up tomorrow, or sorry, on Monday, then we are most likely going to get rejected once again and then fall back down to the support. Now, this 40.29 area is a strong support. Notice how many times buyers came in. Also over here they came in. So you know that if we do fall down to this level, we do have some buyers there, but they need to stay there. Because if they're not there, then sellers are going to overwhelm the buyers that are there, and we're going to push back down to this 35 range. And you don't want to see that happen, especially if you're bullish on Xpeng and you've been watching Xpeng for a while now. Keep in mind though, this is a new year. We're in 2021, so Xpeng has some good things coming to their company. They have new technology coming out. They're having the new cars come out. So there's a lot of good things that are coming for Xpeng, along with Neo and Li Auto as well. But we're talking specifically about Xpeng, so we need to look at the levels that Xpeng has to offer. So the first level, guys, that I'm going to be looking for the trading session on Monday is obviously this level right here at 43.69. Now, if we fail to get above it, like I said, then we're bearish and we're getting rejected and heading back down to 40.29. But if we do get above it, we can give that scenario as well. So let's say we get above it. What am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for a retest to confirm this area as a support now. So over here, notice how it's acting as a resistance. Now, when I say a resistance, I mean that it's getting rejected. Price is falling down when we hit that level. So that's how you know it's a resistance level. But previously, it acted as a support level because buyers came in and held it above this level, and it was actually a really strong one. So we know once we get above this level, then we can start our uptrend back up to the next level. So the next level I'm looking at Xpeng, once we hold this level right here, is 48.06. So we need to start uptrending. We can do two things. We can either blast right through level, or we can consolidate for a bit, a day or so, and then blast right through it. So once we get above this level right here at 43.80, around that level, we need to get to 48.06 and hold above it, just like this price level right here. We need to hold above it and close above it. Now, I know there's a lot of people that's watching my videos. Y'all have a really high average at like $50, and I know y'all been panicking, freaking out, like, when's Xpeng going to turn around? What should I do? Should I take a loss? Should I sell my shares? Well, let this be a lesson to you that always go in with a plan. When you're investing, when you're trading, always go into a plan. Don't just invest blindly into a company because everyone else is doing it. You don't want to lose money when everyone else is losing money as well. So guys, go into 2021, make that a new goal for y'all. Make sure that you go into a plan, no matter what stock it is, no matter if it's cryptocurrency, if it's Forex, or if it's stocks, right? Always go into the stock with a plan. A plan will save you so much money. It will save you so much emotions. You won't panic. You won't worry about sleeping at night because you think you're going to lose all of your money in it. So guys, from here on out, I want you to make a promise to yourself that you're going to go in with a plan when you're trading the stocks, so it could make you a better investor and a better trader this year. Now, let's go into a plan right now. So let's say that we took Xpeng as a trade right now. How would my plan look for this? Well, if I got in right now, I would actually give it enough room to this underneath this support right here. Normally, I just take plays at support. So typically, I wouldn't get in up here. I'd wait either for it to break above this resistance level or it pulls back down to support. But let's say you got in now. I would still have a wide stop loss, and I would stop out underneath this support line because it wouldn't make sense to stop out, mid level above support. It just wouldn't make sense, right? So I'd stop out underneath support because that's when the pattern breaks. But I don't like taking patterns or I don't like taking plays where it's in between support and resistance lines. I don't like taking that. I either wait for the breakout and to confirm it, or I just wait for it to fall back down and I take that support play. But either way, if some people, you got in at a higher average, all you can do, guys, is just wait it out. That's all you can do. Either that or you take it, a loss from it, and then you put your money into something else that you think is better. That's the only two options you have here, guys. But I do think Xpeng is going to have a nice recover in 2021. I think it's going to be a big year for Xpeng, but you just have to wait it out and watch these important levels going into the session Monday and for the rest of the month and the rest of the year. I do think Xpeng has a lot of big things in store for it. I think the whole EV sector as a whole is going to be big. It's going to be a big year. It's going to be a huge jump, with Tesla, NIO, Xpeng, Li Auto. I think it's going to be a good year for EV. Now, like I said, going to the session on Monday, you need to look out for this area right here at 43.78 and then ultimately 48.06. Once we get above these levels, then of course I'll be making videos every single day about Xpeng, and then we'll formulate another plan going into these levels. But before we can do anything, we need to get above these levels before we can start talking about up here. Anyways, I just want to make this quick video, and I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server, link in the description below. We talk all the time during market open. If you need a question, if you need help, just go ahead and hit the link in the description below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Anyways, once again, I'm wishing you a happy new year. I hope this year is amazing to you, and I'll see you all in the next video.